when they search for a term on your Shopify site, so say search for snow or board or one of them, and you sell snowboards, you want certain products to show up on that keyword rather than others. But how do you do that without doing custom code or anything to that effect? I said, there's 2 ways you can do this for it. The Shopify native version is kind of a bit lame, to be honest. It's not the best, but I'll walk you through it. So the native way to do it inside of Shopify is with the search and discovery app. It's not the best, I'll be honest. It's pretty basic, but this is the free default Shopify way of going about it. So you have your app here, which you can just get for free, and then you can go down to searches, and then you'll come to here. And you've got the synonyms here, which is like grouping products and articles together, and then you've got the boosts, which will boost it. So let's say I want, do you know what I mean, like my multi-location board to come up when someone types in snow. I want that to come up. You hit there, you hit save, and now this, when you're actually in the site, I go up here, I'll go snow, that will come up here. So you can see I've added the multi-location one and the multi-location one here. This come up here. I got also photos got snow as well. So it like boosts it up the product rankings for it, but it's again, it's not the best. The other more complicated way to do this, but it's like the better way to go about this, is through the Rebuy Smart Search. So this is an app that we use like across almost every one of our clients for it. And the search feature on here is a lot more detailed, and you can get a lot more details. So when you can come to search here, add it to your site, and you can come into your keywords, you can group them. So you can say, hey, I've got snow, and then you can click here, edit, and then you can add a heap of different featured products to this specific keyword that you want to have. The other thing, though, with the Smart Search is it does a lot better job of connecting different search terms and words and keywords to products. So whereas Shopify's one is kind of a bit like, does it have it in the title? Yes, no. And then if it doesn't, it's just not going to show up for it. So this is a lot more sort of optimized one for searching overall.